Okay, folks, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Today we happen to be here at the St. Albert Abbey. It is very, very, very cold today, folks, but being inside is not as cold. If you guys never been here before, I'd recommend you guys come and check it out. It is a beautiful church, number one. Number two, we made some videos. All of the videos are going to be split so you can enjoy the Christmas Mass if you were not able to make it. Once again, thank you for watching Jessica in Wisconsin, and thank you for subscribing to our channel. Merry Christmas to everybody. God bless you all. Life is short. Make the best out of it today because tomorrow can be too late. Oh, look, they got different paths. I didn't realize that. Oh, my. One path, the other one. That's really cool. It's beautiful, beautiful church. So the Mass just ended a few minutes ago. And I love this painting. I don't know who made it, but it's so pretty. Look at that. It's just beautiful. So we had a Abbey magazine, St. Albert Abbey. Some of the events coming up. Give it a shot. So beautiful. It's a beautiful day.
Did you say Father's Day?
It's a beautiful day. You ready, Julie? So beautiful. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
When you were in church, I thought you were from Russia.
From Russia.